Foreign Affairs Minister Onyema tests positive for COVID-19. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Geoffrey Onyema, has tested positive for COVID-19. The Nation can report. Onyema announced the results of his fourth test on his official Twitter handle on Sunday. He said he was heading for isolation and treatment. The minister tweeted, "Did my fourth COVID-19 test yesterday at the first sign of a throat irritation, and unfortunately, this time it came back positive. That is life. Win some, lose some. Heading for isolation in a health facility and praying for best. Thank you. Thank you for listening to this news." You see, this issue of COVID-19 is not something that one should be fidgeting so serious for. You understand? We get it wrong when we are infected, and we start hiding it, not allowing the public to know. If you are doing that, you are causing more harm to yourself and you are inviting death to yourself. So it will really augur well if you do yourself some good by making it a public announcement. See how the Minister of Foreign Affairs made it publicly announced. He personally announced it to the public. He announced it, so that, and beside, COVID-19 is not HIV. It's not HIV. It's curable. It's not a serious deadly disease. It's a disease that can come and go even under 24 hours. That is, if you respond to treatment. Okowa did the same. He and his family pronounced it publicly that they were infected. They were infected. So what is the big deal? Why don't you accept that reality, that there is need for you to make this announcement the moment you discover discover any symptoms, or the moment you discover that you are infected? You understand? It will go a long way. It will help you. El-Rufai did the same, and today he is cured. Dokpesi and all of them, they all did the same. You understand? So no one is free from this issue of COVID-19. But then, when you are infected, it will really do you of great good and of great help if only you can identify that fact, identify that reality that you've been infected, and start working on that. You understand? And when you do that, you will see that the government will come and start working on you. It's not that they are saying that you should get yourself treated, or you should be the one to get yourself treated. No one is saying that. The federal government has made provision for immediate attention to be granted to any infected person. You understand? The federal government has made provision for that. And also, the federal government has made provision for a complete isolation to be granted to whosoever that is infected. You understand? So there is a provision for all these things. So you don't need to get yourself bored or get yourself worried when you are infected. You understand? You don't need to. What you just need to do is own up. Make it a public hearing. Make it a public notice, and you will before you know it, you get you get a helping hand. A helping hand is what you need. So for this virus not to go around and for it not to spread, and that is why the federal government made a provision for immediate treatment for anyone that is infected. The federal government understood the situation of the country. They understood that allowing individuals to take care of this treatment themselves, it's going to cause a widespread of this virus, because when anyone who doesn't have that much with him, or who is not financially strong enough get infected, you will see that the person will be feeling reluctant of going to the clinic to give himself out for treatment. So by resisting that and by keeping away from treatment, you will start spreading it to other people, and before you know it, the virus will be everywhere in the country. You understand? So that is why there is need for that. That is why there is need for immediate attention, and that is what the federal government has made available. So there is no need for you hiding it. There is no need for you keeping it. There is no need for you feeling ashamed of being infected. No. You don't need to. You don't need to be ashamed. If you do that, you are playing with your life. You are inviting death. You are saying that death should come, and that is not a good one. You understand now? That is not a good one. COVID-19 is not physics. COVID-19 is not HIV. COVID-19 is not bacteria. It's not it's a bacteria, but it's not a serious bacteria. What if I tell you that even the malaria that you take, that you are infected with every 14 days, is even more deadlier than this COVID-19? You understand? So it's just that it's very easy to get into someone, and it kills so fast. Do you understand? But the moment you respond to treatment, before you know it, it leaves you. You understand what I'm saying? It leaves you. So let us see reason why we need to get ourselves treated. Let us see reason why we need to respond to this. Let us see reason why there is need for us to get ourselves treated. So my viewers, without any missing words, permit me to say that the Minister for Foreign Affairs, Geoffrey Onyeama, has really done well by making this a public announcement. And as he has said, the world is wishing him a nice isolation time and a quick recovery and back on his feet in Jesus' name. So my viewers, I don't know what your comment concerning this may be, but please don't forget to leave them behind. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.